Okay, this is a question on further mathematics, OBJ. We are starting with question number 1. The function f x implies 2x squared, that is 2x squared plus 3x minus 7, and g of x here implies 5x squared plus 7x minus 6 are defined on the set of what real numbers are. Find the values of x for which 3f of x equals who? G of x. Okay, look at what you need to do. This has been given to you. 3f of x implies that 3 into value of f of s, which is 2s squared plus 3s minus 7, equals to g of s. What is g of s? 5s squared plus 7s minus 6. Now what do you have? This is 6s squared plus 9s minus 21 equals 5s squared plus 7s minus 6. So that 6s squared minus 5s squared plus 9s minus 7s minus 21 plus 6 will be equal to who? 0. Okay? If you watch, this thing is trying to turn into what? Quadratic equation. So here now, s squared plus 2x minus 15 equals 0. This is pure quadratic equation. Now let's, by linking method, we have minus 15s squared. What are two numbers when we add? It will give us 2s. When we multiply, it will give us minus 15s squared. So s squared minus, let's say plus 5x, okay, minus 3 will produce 2s. And minus 3s times 5s will give us what? Minus 15. This is all equal to 0. S into x plus 5 minus 3 into x plus 5, everything equals 0. So that s minus 3 equals 0, or s plus 5 equals 0. Therefore, s equals 3 or minus 5. 3 or minus 5. Option C. Let's go. A straight line makes intercept of minus 3 and 2 on x and y axes respectively. The equation of the line, okay, this is talking about the equation of line. You have to recall that in the equation of line, that's s all over a plus y all over b equals to 1. It's not everything. Begin to think about y equals what? Ms plus c. No. Now, this is a special case equation, the fractional aspect of it, by saying and recalling that x all over a plus y all over b equals to 1. Here, a represents minus 3 and b represents 2. So we got to have this all over minus 3 plus y all over 2 equals 1. Simple as ABC. So look at the LCM. The LCM goes to what? Minus 6. This minus this into this. This is 2x. This value, this minus 3y equals to 1. So that 2x minus 3y equals minus 6. So that 3y minus 2s minus 6 equals 0. Now we check. Do we have something of this nature? We are having 2x, okay, minus 2s plus 3y minus 6. The arrangement is not the same, but all the values we have here, they are all the same. So I'm saying minus 2s plus 3y minus 6 equals what? 0. Option D. which of the following is the semi-interquartile range of a distribution? This one is not a question now. Thinking about semi-interquartile range, you know that interquartile range is what? Q3 minus what? Q1. So semi means upper quartile minus lower quartile, all over who? 2. Therefore, option D is the answer. 1 all over 2, open a bracket, upper quartile minus what? Lower quartile. Recall that upper quartile is what? 3n all over 4, and lower quartile is what? N all over 4. So when you do this, you get the value for what? Semi-interquartile range. No value is seen here because no value was given to us. Integrate this. Integrating this, 0 minus 1 s plus 1 ds. Okay? S plus, no? Into x plus 2 ds. So I have to expand this first. S squared plus 3s plus 2 ds. This time this, this time this 2s, this time this s. S plus 2s is 3s. This time this is what? 2. So take it so. Integrating this, we are going to have s cubed all over 3 plus 3s squared all over 2 plus 2x into the range. What is the range? 0 and minus 1. Okay. Having this for uppercase, integral of 0 minus 1. Okay. Minus 1. Uppercase is 0 already. Minus lowercase. Lowercase s cubed all over 3 minus 3s squared all over 2 plus 2x. This will give us, here is 0, minus bracket, minus 1 over 3, 3 over 2, minus 2. This will give us minus bracket. Our LCM is 6. 6 here, this is 2, minus 2 plus 6 here, 3, that's 9, minus 12, okay. This will give us minus bracket, this minus this is 7. 7 minus 12 is 5. We're going to have minus bracket, minus 5 all over 6. So introducing the minus there, we're going to have 5 all over 6. So our solution is 5 over 6. If 36, P, 9 over 4, and Q are consecutive terms of exponential sequence GP, find the sum of P and Q, okay? Now let us see. Thinking about GP. This is a GP question, geometric progression. 36, P, 9 all over 4, and the Q we are given. Find the sum of this. Okay, seeing this, general formula Tn equals to AR n minus 1. If A is the first term, which is 36, and R equals P over 36, or 9 over 4 over P, this will say that P all over 36 equals 9 over 4 over P, okay? So let us standardize this. This is P over 36 equals 9 over 4 all over times this over 1 over P. That's P all over 36 equals 9 over 4P. So that 4P squared equals 36 times 9. Therefore, 4P squared equals 36 times 9 times 9, dividing through by 4, P squared equals, if I use 4 here, this is 9, okay? 9 times 9, P squared equals 81. So that P equals square root of 81, P equals 9. Now let us solve for Q. Recall that Q is the last term, meaning that now we have P. If Q is the last term, I will now say that 1, 2, 3, 4, T4 equals to ARN minus 1, T4 equals A, which is 36, times R, we don't know, and 4 minus 1, that is 36R power 3, will give us Q. So Q equals this. Now what is R? We don't know. Recall that R equals either P over 36 or 9 over 4 over P. Both of them should be able to give us the same value. If R is this, it means 9 all over 36, that is 1 over 4. Or, using this, 9 over 4, all over who? 9 over 1. This implies 9 over 4 times who? 1 over 9. Cancel, cancel, to give you what? 1 over 4. Can you see? What you have proved is just the correct thing. Therefore, common ratio is what? 1 over 4. Hence, Q equals 36 into 1 over 4 raised to the power 3. This will give us 36 all over 3 raised to the power 4. Now 36, 3 raised to the power 4 is 81. If 3 power 4 is 81, 36 all over 81, I want to simplify Q. Q equals 36 means 6 square, while 81 means 8 square. Okay, both of them can take care of each other, meaning 6 over 8. To give us cancel, cancel, this is 3 all over 4. So Q is 3 over 4, but the question is find P plus Q. Recall P equals to 9, then plus 3 over 4. This over 1. To give us, this is 4 as the LCM, 9 times 4 plus 3. This implies 36 plus 3 all over 4. This is 39 over 4. How many 4 are in 39? You have that 4 times 9 is 36. Okay? Meaning 9 number, 3 all over 4 is the sum of P and Q. Three here, 2, 3 here, 3. 4 over 9. 4 over 9. 36, comma P, comma this, and Q are consecutive terms of exponential sequence. If T2 equals AR, T3 equals AR square, T4, which is Q, equals AR 3. Common ratio, square root of 81 is 9. Square. Now, R equals 1 over 4, 9 over 36, 3 here, 3 here, 12, and 3 here, 1, 3 here, 4, 1 over 4. So that T4 equals AR cube, A 36 times 1 over 4 raised to power 3. 4 power 3 is, okay, 64. 36 all over 64. That is T4Q equals 6 times 6 all over 8 times 8 to give us 2 here 3, 2 here 3, 9 over 16. 9 over 16. Okay, our P still remain 9, and Q is 9 over 16. So P plus Q equals 9 plus 9 over 16. That is 9 times 16 plus 9 all over 16. Okay, 16 into 9, this is 54, carry 5, 9, 14, 144 plus 9, this is 13, carry 1, 153, 153 all over 16. Now, how many 16 are in 153? One 153 over 16. That is 9 whole number. 9 all over 16. Option D. Differentiate 5s cubed plus s squared all over s. 5s cubed plus s squared all over s. Okay. We'll have addition sign there. This into this will give us 5s squared plus who? S. This is what we have now. So the y ds equals 10s plus 1. Very simple. 10s plus 1. Okay. Express is radian in degree. Remember that pi equals to 180. Now the simplest and easiest way of doing this, now you have 4 pi all over 5. Your position, because 1 rad equals 180 all over pi. So that we'll use this to multiply what you have. This is 180 all over who? Pi. What do you have now? 4 pi times 180 all over 5 pi, okay? Pi will take care of pi. 5 in this, in 180. 5 in 15 is 3. Remainder 3. That's 36. So 4 times 36 is going to give us, this is 24, 2, 12 plus 2, 144 degree. Is it there? 144 degree. Next, given that 8x plus m all over this equals this, okay? It's equivalent to this, not equal this. That's 5 over s plus 1 plus 3 over. This is a partial fraction question. You call it partial fraction. Now, we're interested in getting the value, given this, the value of m. We have that 8s plus m all over s squared plus 3s plus 4 equals equivalent to 5, not equal to, equivalent to 5 all over s plus 1 plus 3 all over s plus 4. Recall that this thing you are seeing here is a factorized form of this. Okay, that's minus 3s. This is minus 3s. Recall in our normal partial fraction, 8s plus m, denominator will be taking care of themselves. This is 5 into s plus 4 plus 3 into s plus 1. Now, what do you have? 8s plus m equals 5s plus 20 plus 3s plus 3. 8s plus m equals 23 plus 8s. This guy will cancel these guys. So m equals to 23. So they are interested in the constant called m. So m is 23. Okay, if s squared plus y squared minus 2s minus 6y plus z equals 0, evaluate the y ds when s equals 3, and this is this. This is called an implicit what? Differentiation. Implicit function. Now this is an implicit function. So what you need to do to say that 2s plus 2y dy ds, whenever you differentiate y, you must have dy ds minus 6 dy ds, okay? A constant is 0 in differentiation equals 0. Now 2y minus 6 all into dy ds equals 2 minus 2x. Making this subject of the formula, dy ds equals 2 minus 2s all over 2y minus 6. So dy ds, when this s is what? 3 minus 2 times 3 all over y is 2. 2 times 2 minus 6. This will give us 2 minus 6 all over 4 minus 6. This is minus 4 all over minus 2. Okay? That is 2 plus 2 is our answer to that question. Say it is option B. Go to question number 10. Integrate this. Integrate this. That's 1, 0, s squared into s cubed plus 2 raised to power 3 ds. Okay? This is integration by substitution. So let s power 3 plus 2 equals u, so that the u ds equals 2s squared, so that the s equals the u all over 2s squared, okay? No, 3s squared, this is 3s squared. Replacing it again, this is 1, 0 into s squared bracket u power 3 times the u all over 3s squared. Cancel this, cancel this. What do we have now? We have a range, this u power 3 1 over 3 du. Now, integrating this, we are going to have u power 4 all over 4 into who? 1 all over 3, and the range 1 and 0. I think this is an easy nut to crack. 1 over 3, and to recall that u is who? X cubed plus 2. Okay? Raised to the power 4 all over 4, our range. This will give us 1 over 3 into 1 plus 2 all power 4 divided by 4 minus 0. Yes. Is it going to give us 0? No, 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 no. That's minus lowercase. This is 0 here, okay? Plus 2 all over 4. It will not give 0, okay? This will not give us 1 all over 3 into, this is 3. 3 power 4. 3 raised to the power 4 is 81 all over 4 minus 2 raised to the power 4 is 16 all over 4 So 1 over 3 into 81 minus 16. 81 minus 16. This is 11. I write 5. 7 here. 65. I will have 65 all over 4 into this to give us 65 all over 12. Do you have such thing? 65 all over 12. That is option B. Okay. If this is this, find the value of k. Okay. Having seen this, we need to get the value or find the value of k. Let's write down this. This is 4. Multiplying this minus 6, and this is k, equals 3 minus 26. 2 times minus 6 is minus 12, plus minus 3 times k is minus 3k. All right, equals 3. You can call it equation 1. This will now go. This is minus 6 plus 4k equals minus 26. I call it equation 2. But remember, our interest is just to get the value of k. So 3 plus 12 minus 3k equals 15. So that k will be what? Minus 5. If you like, you can still try it here. That is using equation 2, minus 6 plus 4k equals minus 26. That is 4k equals minus 26 plus 6. 4k equals minus 20. Divide through by 4, k equals minus 5. You can see, however, whichever way you do it, you still get the same solution. So k is what? Minus 5. A linear transformation T is defined by T x comma this implies 3x minus y comma x plus 4y. Find the image of 2 comma minus 1 under T. Okay, image. Recall that matrix times object equals what? Image. Now let us create the matrix for this. The matrix T. Matrix T. Matrix T is going to give us T equals half 3 and 1, then minus 1 and 4. Matrix times object equals image. That is 3 minus 1, 1, 4. The object, they are interested in image 2 minus 1 equals I. So 3 times 2 is 6, minus 1 times 1 is plus 1. This is 7. 1 times 2 is 2, 4 times 1 is minus 4. This is minus 2. So this will give us what? 7 minus 2. So the image now is 7 comma minus 2. Option A. Okay, what next? Evaluate for permutation 2 plus 4 combination 2 minus 4 permutation 3. 4 permutation. Recall that in permutation, n permutation r equals n factorial all over n minus r factorial. While in combination, n combination r equals n factorial all over n minus r factorial into r factorial. Now let us face 4 permutation 2. This implies 4 factorial all over 4 minus 2 all factorial to give me 4.3.2 all over 2.1. Cancel, cancel to give me what? 12. So 4 permutation 2 is 12. Now, 4 permutation 3 will give me 4 factorial all over 4 minus 3 all factorial equals 4.3.2.1 all over 1 to give us what? This is 24, okay? You keep the solution. Now let's think about the combination. 4 combination 2 implies 4 factorial all over 4 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. This will give us 4.3.2.1 all over 2.1.2.1. 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. This is 2, meaning 6. Good. Now the question is what? 4 permutation 2 plus 3, 4 combination 2 minus 4 permutation 3. 4 permutation 2 is 12 plus 6 minus 24. This is 18 minus 24. 18 minus 24 will give us minus 6. So option C is the answer, minus 6. Find the coefficient of x squared in the binomial expansion x plus 2 all over x squared all raised to the power 5. Good. I will have that x plus 2 over x squared up power 5. The coefficient of what? X squared in this. Okay. So I have x power 5 plus 5 combination 1 into x4 2 all over x squared power 1 plus 5 combination 2 x3 2 all over x squared power this plus dot dot dot. The interest is just x squared, coefficient of x squared. Okay, where this x started to increase, it is at this point. So 5 combination 2 means 5 factorial all over 5 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial times who? S power 3. Okay. Plus 5 combination 3 x squared into 2 all over x is raised to power 3. This is where we need. So 5 combination 3 equals 5 factorial all over 5 minus 3 factorial 3 factorial times x squared times 8 all over x raised to power 6 x raised to power 6. So what do we have now? 5.4.3 all over 2.1.3.2 okay. 5.4 dot all over 2.1 multiplied by x squared dot 8 all over x power 6. This is 20 times 8 x squared all over 2x power 6. So this will give us 20 times this. 20 times 8 is 160 x squared all over 2x power 6. Coefficient of x squared, this is 80 x squared all over x6 will give us 80. But then you can finish all the expansion. 5 combination 4 into x cubed 2 all over x this. Okay, it's not necessary. So our answer is what? 80. Given that P equals S is to S is a multiple of 5, Q, S is a multiple of 3, and R is an odd number, are subsets of the universal set. S is to 20 less than S less than 35. So let us first generate the universal set first, then begin to think about any other thing. I'm having that universal set. This equals the elements of this set are equal to 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay. Now, we are interested in P union Q intersection R. Let us list elements of P, multiples of 5, 10, 15, 25, 30, 35, okay? 35. Then let us list Q, multiples of 3. Q equals 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 27, 27, 30, 33. Okay. Now we are looking for P union Q intersection R. R is odd numbers. Okay, R, odd numbers. One, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 30, 27, 30, 27, 29, 29, then 31, 33, and 35, okay? So the question is P union Q intersection R. P union Q will give us from dice 3, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 12, 15, 18, 20, 21, 24, 25, 27, 30, 35. Then intersection R. Intersection R. Now let's match this to this. The intersection. We'll have 3. Then it's a multiple, and R is an odd numbers and a subset of, okay, subset of this. Okay, that's from 20 here. This is 21. Subset are subsets. Okay, all of them are subsets to this. So here you're starting from 20. Here you're starting from 21. So we don't need 3, 5, 9, 10, 15, just from 20. Now their intersection in R, we'll have 21, okay? We'll write intersection 23, not 23 here, 25, not 25 here, 27, there is 27 here, okay, there is 25, 27, then 25, 27, no 30 here, 35, and 33, 33, 33, then 35. So P union Q intersection R is what? 21, 25, 27, 33, and 35, option B. A particle moving with a velocity of 5 meters per second accelerates at what? 2 meters per second. Find the distance it covers in 4 seconds, okay? A distance, recall your physics formula now. In the further maths and physics, they are almost the same thing. So, we are interested in distance. According from equation of motion, you know that distance S equals ut plus 1 over 2 at squared. Now they are looking for, they want us to get the distance. That means S equals u. What is u? Velocity has been given to you, multiplied by who? 4, which is the time, plus 1 over 2 times A. A means 10, as you all know, times 4 squared. This guy is 5. This is 20. 20. This divided by this is 16. Then plus 16. This will give us 36 meter. 36 meter. 36 meter. If un equals kn squared plus pn, u1 equals minus this, u5 is this, 15. Find the value of k and p, okay? This is a GP-like or AP-like question. Recall, un equals km squared plus pn. And u1 equals minus 1, u5 equals 15, meaning u1, that is u1 now, kn square, kn square, that's what we have. If this is this, it means minus 1 equals k times 1 square plus p times 1. Minus 1 equals k plus p, equation 1. Therefore, u5, that is 15, equals k times 5 square plus p times 5, equation 2. That is 15 equals 25k plus 5p. This is simultaneous equation. So we have now that k plus p equals minus 1 and 25k plus 5p equals 15. Here I want to use coefficient of p, so that 5k plus 5p equals minus 5, 25k plus 5p equals 15. By elimination method, we have minus 20k, cancel equals minus 20, k equals 1. Solve for p. Recall equation 1, k plus p equals minus 1. So that 1 plus p equals minus 1, p equals minus 1 minus 1, p equals minus 2. Therefore, k equals 1 and p equals minus 2. So 1 and minus 2. K is 1 and p is minus 2. Option C. In how many ways can 6 persons be paired? Funny question. In how many ways can 6 persons be paired? The word pair means 2. How many people are involved? 6 people, meaning 6 combination 2. That is all. 6 combination 2. No stress. 6 combination 2. And I say 6 combination 2 implies 6 factorial all over 6 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. This is 6 factorial all over 4 factorial dot 2 factorial, meaning 6.5 all over 2.1, because 4 factorial will take care of this here. From that end, you will have this is 3 times 5 equals 15 ways only. So 6 people can be paired in 15 ways. Option C. Solve 3s squared minus 2 minus 28, 3s 3 raised to the power 2x minus 2 minus 28 into 3 power s minus 2, close it, plus 3 equals 0. Good. What is here? I'm saying this, okay? All over 2 dot 28 dot 3 power s all over 3 raised to the power 2 plus 3 equals 0. This is an exponential equation. So let's settle this very well. This will give us 3 into x all squared, okay? All over 9 minus 28 dot 3 power s all over 9 plus 3 equals 0. Let p equals 3 power this, so that I will have p squared on top all over 9 minus 28p all over 9 plus 3 all over 1 equals 0. Okay. This is a pure quadratic equation. So what are you going to have here? You have that p squared minus 28p plus 3 times 9 equals 0. P squared minus 28p plus 27 equals 0. Factorizing this now, I think that minus 27p minus p equals minus 28. Okay, that is good. So that p squared minus 27p minus p will balance this, and one multiply 2 of them, it will now give this, plus 27 equals to 0. Here, p minus 27 minus 1 into p minus 27, everything equals 0. Therefore, p equals 1, or p is 27. Recall that p equals 3 power s. So when p is 1, it means 3 raised to the power 0, because anything raised to the power 0 will give us what? 1. Therefore, s is 0 at this point. So from the other end, 3 power this equals to 27, meaning 3 power 3. S is who? 3. Therefore, s is 0 or 3. Our answer is what? Option D. S is 0 or 3. Given that p equals minus 4, 5, minus 5 and q this, express this in terms in the form. Okay, magnitude and the bearing. Okay, it's a fine one. Now look at what you need to apply in this place now. Recall the formula for distance between 2 points, and you also think about the formula for direction of an angle, which is what? Tan J all over I. That's tan theta equals J all over I. But before that, let us think about distance between 2 points. Okay, D equals square root of who? S2 minus S1 all squared plus Y2 minus Y1 all squared. Okay? Now I have my S2, which is 2. 2 minus 4 is who? Plus 6, and that's a 6 squared. Plus 3 minus 5 is what? 8 squared. Here now, I'll have 36 plus 34 to give me square root of 100 equals what? That's 10. 10 units. Or you can say 10 square units. 10 units. I have one part of this question now. It's remaining the next part of the question. As the next part, I want to generate my J and my I. Recall that tan theta equals what? J all over I. Okay? Now, from here, if I want this to be a perfect vector, I should be talking about minus 4i, minus 5j, 2i, and 3j. Now, 3j minus 5j all over 2i minus 4i will give me 8j all over 6i. But remember, what we need here now is angle. So 8 all over 6 equals what? 4 over 3. So tan theta equals 4 over 3. Then tan inverse 4 over 3 equals to theta. Now let's get our theta. 4 over 3 will give us 1.3333. Then tan inverse 1.33333 equals 53 degrees. So theta equals 53 degrees. Hence, our solution is going to go this way. 10 units, 53 degrees. So that is the solution. 10 units, 53 degrees. Good. The next, if PQ is this and the other RQ is this minus I minus J, 7J, find PR. Good. There's something you need to consult. There is a triangle formula used in a vector question. You draw your triangle. I normally use this. What are the letters I have here? I have PQR. I would say PQR, okay? If this guy is this, here it's like this, here it's going this way. Now, I want to present P. What's my P? Okay, they say PQ. This side, okay? 2I and the 5J. Good. The other one is RQ. This way was given. That is minus I minus 7J. Good. Find PR. Interesting. Just here. Recall that PQ equals PR plus RQ. Okay? This angle. Now, we'll have that this. I think it's clear. PR is going to be PQ. Okay. I haven't drawn this diagram. You can see it. This is PQ and this is RQ. We are looking for PR. So the formula is this way. PQ equals what? This side plus this side. So now, the interest of this question is what? To get PR. Now, if PR is PQ minus RQ, it means PQ is 2I against 5J, then minus I minus 7J equals to PR. We don't have much history here. This is minus minus, meaning 3I, okay? Minus minus 12J. So what is PR? 3I okay, that is minus 2I. Okay, minus here is plus. Let's check, is there another minus sign before? Okay. Minus is plus, minus 2I plus I is minus I, okay? Minus is plus, meaning 12J. So, PR equals what? Minus I plus 12J. What is it? Minus I plus 12J. Okay. If 40 hunters were here, probably it will mean that the frequency, we're going to have that 5 plus 4, which is summation f plus s plus 9 plus 2s plus is it 1 equals how many hunters? 40. Good. This is 9, 18, 19 plus 3s equals 40. 3s equals 40 minus 19. 3s equals 21. So that s will be who? 7. Good. Now we have value of s. Recall our table is there. So the question is probability of that the hunters covered at least 6 kilometers. 6 kilometers will mean from 9 plus 2x plus 1 all over total. The total is what? 40. So PR of at least 6 kilometers will give us, what is S? 7. 2 times 7, 14. That's 24 all over 40. 2 here is 12, 2 here is 20, 2 here 6, 2 here 10, 2 here 3, 2 here 5. The probability is what? 3 all over 5. 3 over 5. Find the mode of the distribution. I think mode question is not a question anyway. If S is 7, 2 times 7 is 14. Therefore, the mode is what? 7. You don't solve anything in this one. Just mode, highest occurring frequency. Recall. If J of S is this, okay, root 1 minus S squared. Find the domain G of X. Okay, domain G of X. If you say that this is greater than or equal to 0, that is, minus S squared will be greater than minus 1. Now we have this. This sign will absolutely affect the symbol by saying that S squared is less than who? 1, okay? Now, if I want to take the square root of this, because S squared will now be what? Root 1. Absolutely, it is what? Plus or minus 1. But recall, look at what we are having. We are having a symbol less than. That means that minus 1 is less than x, then less than 1. that is plus or minus 1. Minus 1 is less than s less than 1. So minus 1 less than or equal to 1. Find the coefficient of s cube y cube. Coefficient of s cube y cube. And x minus 2y all raised to the power of 5. Our interest is what? S cube y square. The coefficient, okay, good. This S5 minus plus 5 combination 1 into S4 into minus 2y raised to the power 1 plus 5 combination 2 to S cube minus 2y all square. So look at the interest of this question just here. So 5 combination 2 is 5 factorial into 5 minus 2 all factorial into 2 factorial dot s cube times 4y square. Okay. Now we have dot 4 dot 3. Just say let's use dot 1 times 4s cube y squared. This will give us, this is 20 times 4 s cube y squared all over 2. Cancel is what? 10 times 4 s cube y squared. Well, the answer is just 40. 40 is the solution. Any 40? Okay. The first and second term of an exponential sequence are s minus 4, s plus 2, 3s plus this. Find the value of s, values of s. It's an interesting one anyway. Okay. X minus 4, x plus 2, 3x plus 1. Common ratio R is s plus 2 all over s minus 4 or 3s plus 1 all over s plus 2. So s plus 2 all over s minus 4 equals 3s plus 1 all over s plus 2. Cross multiply s plus 2 s plus 2 equals s minus 4 3s plus 1 s squared plus 4s plus 4 equals 3s squared plus s minus 12s minus 4. 3s squared minus s squared minus 11s minus 4s minus 4 minus 4 equals 0. 2s squared minus 15s minus 8 equals 0. Now let us factorize to get the value of s. We are having this and this is 16, meaning that 2s squared minus 16s plus s minus 8 equals 0. So that 2x into s minus 8 plus 1 into s minus 8 equals 0. So that 2x plus 1 equals 0 or s minus 8 equals 0. Here now, s will give us minus 1 over 2 or plus 8. So s is what? Minus 1 over 2 plus 8. A body of mass 18 kg moving with velocity 4 meters per second collides with another body of, okay, this is pure physics. Now we have to go back to our physics. So, you know that in momentum, thinking about collision theory, we are aware that m1 u1 plus m2 u2 equals m1 plus m2 multiplied by common velocity. Okay, now I have m1 to be 18 times u1. What is our u1? 4 plus m2 6 they collide with another body of mass, this in the in opposite direction. Whenever you hear the word opposite direction, there must be minus in this formula. But if there's no opposite direction, forget about minus, just use your plus and go away. That is 6 times 10 equals m1 m2 is what? 18 plus 6 into common velocity. 18 times 4, this is 32, carry 3, this is 4 plus 3, 72 minus 60 equals 18 plus 4, this is 2, carry 1, 2, that is 22 V. That is 12 equals 22 V, 2 here, 6, 2 here, 11 V. Now, let's subtract this very well. 18 times 4, 72, okay. Moving in the opposite direction, that's 60. 60. Okay. 18 plus this is 24. 24 V. 24 V, that is 12. 24 V. 2 here, 6. 2 here is 12 V. This is 1. And this is 2V. V equals 1 over 2 meter per seconds. So 1 over 2, option A. The mean height of 3 groups of students consisting of 20, 16, and 14 students, each are what? 1.67 meter, 1.5 meter, and 1.40 meter. Respectively, find the mean height of all the students. Okay. Of course, we know that bar S equals summation Si all over n. If the mean I of how many this consists of 20, that is 1.67 equals summation x for the first person, s20 all over how many of them? 20. And that's the summation s20 equals 20 times 1.67. Okay? Then summation bar s20 bar s 16 equals summation s16 all over 16. The mean is what? 1.5, I say 1.5 equals summation s16 all over 16. That is 1.5 times 16 equals summation s16. Now let's multiply out first. 20 times 1.67 times 20 equals 33.4. This guy will give us 33.4. And summation s16 equals 1.5 times 16, 24, and summation s14, okay, s14 equals the mean 1.4 times 14, 1.4 times 14, 19.6. 19.6. Okay. Now I have all the total summation x which will now imply summation S20 plus summation S16 plus summation S14. All over their total. What is their total? 20 plus 16 plus 14. This is 20, 10, 50. This will give me bar X for 3 of them equals 33.4 plus 24 plus 19.6 all over 50. Okay. 33.4 plus 19.6 plus 24 all over 50 equals 1.5. 1.54 meter. So the mean is 1.5, okay? 1.54 meter is there. Option B. 30. Question 29. Find correct to the nearest degree the acute angle formed by the line, okay? By the line. By its acute angle. Recall that tan theta equals I have line 1, y equals 2s plus 5. Line 2, 2y equals s minus 6. For line 1, I'll say m1 equals, recall y equals the general formula, this. So I want to get m1 now. m1, that's ms equals 2s, okay? So that m1 equals 2. I have this one now for line 1. So let me think about m2. m2 here now. Make y subject of the formula. Y will give us s all over 2 minus 6 all over 2. So that ms equals s all over 2. This guy here, m equals 1 over 2. If I cross multiply, 2m equals 1. M equals 1 all over 2, meaning m2 is this. But I know that tan theta equals m2 minus m1 all over 1 minus 1 plus m1 m2. So this will give us m2 1 over 2 minus 2 all over 1 plus 2 times 1 over 2. This will give us this over 1. That is 1 minus 4 all over 2 all over consequence of 2. This will give me minus 3 all over 2 all over 2 over 1. Minus 3 all over 2 times 1 all over 2. I have minus 3 over 4. Okay, minus 3 over 4. So that tan inverse minus 3 over 4 equals the theta, that is the angle we are looking for. Tan inverse this, 3 over 4 shift tan minus 0.75. Shift tan 0.75. 37 degree. So theta equals 37 degree. Option C. Theta is 37 degree. Now solve for sine square theta plus 1 equals 2. Where theta is less than theta, where 0 is less than theta, less than 180 degree. Okay. For sine square theta plus 1 equals 2. Okay? 4 sine square theta equals 2 minus 1. 4 sine square theta equals 1. Sine square theta equals 1 over 4. Sine theta now equals square root of 1 over 4. So sine theta equals plus or minus 1 over 2. It means that sine theta will have two values, one for minus, one for, meaning we are working for this and this. So 0.5, the sine inverse of 0.5 is 30 degrees. And if one's value is minus, it means second quadrant. And in second quadrant, 180 degree minus theta. If the one for positive is 30 degrees, the one for negative will now be 180 degree minus 30 degree equals what? 150 degree. So our theta is what? 30 degree and 150 degree. Okay. Find the range of values of s for which 2s squared plus 7s minus 15 is greater than or equal to 0. Two s squared plus 7s minus 15 is greater than or equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. No? This into this minus 30. In 30, 10 and 3, okay? 2s squared plus 10 minus 3s minus 15 is greater than or equal to 0. So, we have that 2x into x plus 5 minus 3 into s plus 5 is greater than or equal to 0, okay? Now, 2x minus 3 is either 0 or x plus 5 equals what? 0. It means that our answer will be s equals 3 over 2 or s equals minus 5. So for the fact that s is minus and you are having greater than or equal to, it means that x is less than or equals minus 5 or s is greater than or equal to what? 3 over 2, because this one is positive, so greater, while this one is negative, meaning minus. So let's see, s is less than or equal to minus 5. Okay, is there option B? Okay, the probability that a student will graduate from a college is 0.4. If 3 students are selected from the college, what is the probability that at least one student will graduate? At least one. At least one, meaning from the lowest to the highest. How many are they? There are 3. So what you need in this probability, recall this formula and combination R into P of R, Q, N minus R, okay? For P of S being equal to 1, 2, 3. Now PR of 1 plus PR of 2 plus PR of 3 is what we need. At least 1. At least 1. Okay. Our N equals 3 and P equals 0.4. Q will now be 1 minus 0.4. Q now equals 0.6. It's simple as ABC anyway. So PR of 1 meaning 3 combination 1 into graduating, P not graduate. Okay, 0.4 raised to power R. What is R? 1 into 0.6 raised to power n 3 minus this, that is square, plus 3 combination 2 into 0. This power 1 into, okay, power 2 into 0.6 raised to power 1, because 3 minus 2 is 1, plus 3 combination 3 into 0.4 raised to power 3, 0. This 3 raised to power 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, 3 combination 1, 3 factorial into 2 factorial, 3 dots, that's 3 times 0.4 dot 0.6 dot 0.6 plus 3 combination 2, 3 factorial all over 3 minus 2, okay, 3 dot 2 factorial all over 2 factorial equals 3. Okay, 3 times 0.4 all square 0.6 plus 3 factorial 3 all over, okay, that's 1 plus 1 times 0.4 raised to power 3 times 1. Now let's gather the solution. Okay, multiplying this, that's 3 times 0.4 times 0.6 times 0.6 equals 0.432 plus 0.4 square times 3 times 0.6, 0.288 plus 0.4 times 0.4 times 0.4, 0.064. So adding this together, you give us 0.78. So the correct option is 0.78, option C. The equation of a cycle is given as this. Find the what? Coordinates of each center. Coordinates of each center. Now we are looking for coordinates. Remember this equation, general formula, s squared plus y squared plus 2g of s plus 2f of y plus c equals 0. So at this point, the equation is not unity. Make the equation to be unity by saying dividing through, you have 2s squared plus 2y squared plus s, okay, minus s minus 3y minus 41 equals 0. Divide through by 2 in each case to make it unity. Meaning now s squared plus y squared minus s all over 2 minus 3y all over 2 minus 41 all over 2 equals 0. By comparison, we have that 2g of s is equal to this guy here, so that s will take care of s. 2g equals minus 1 over 2. You cross multiply 4g equals minus 1. G becomes minus 1 all over 4. Also, by comparison, 2f of this equals minus 3y all over 2. You cross multiply. I have 4 y here. We're going to have 2f equals minus 3 all over 2. So 4f equals minus 3, okay? F now equals minus 3 all over 4. Recall that center C equals minus g comma minus f as formula. What is g? Minus 1 over 4, meaning minus minus g equals what? 1 over 4, no minus again. So f now, minus minus equals 3 over 4, no minus again, meaning the center is 1 comma, that's 1 over 4, comma 3 over 4. This is the coordinate of the circle, 1 over 4 and 3 over 4, option B. The gradient function at any point x, this is 2x minus. This is the function passes through 1, to find the function, okay? This is a differentiation already. I think you need to integrate now. It's a gradient function, meaning it has been differentiated already to get the value of who? 2 minus 6. So recall that y is this now. This is a function. So meaning integral of this will give us what? 2s squared all over 2 plus 6s plus k, a constant. Fine. Cancel this, cancel this. So what do we have now? We have s squared plus 6x plus k. That is y equals this. Now go back. What is the value of y? We need to know the value of k. Y is 2, all right? Ys is 1. 1 squared plus 6 into 1 plus k. 2 equals 7 plus k. So k now equals minus 5. So k is minus 5. Now, if k is minus 5, we have to go back to fix this thing. Recall that y equals this gentleman here. It now means that y equals to s squared plus 6x minus 5. This is the function. The function is what? S squared plus 6x minus 5. S squared of minus 6, sorry, okay. Minus 6. S squared minus 6x minus 5, option A. A particle of mass is moving along a straight line under the action of this. Covers this line distance d at time t such that this is okay. Find the magnitude of the f at time t. Okay, I have d equals t squared plus 3t, okay? So the d over the t equals 2t plus 3. 2t plus 3. Now, find the magnitude of f at time t. Remember that f equals what? ma. F equals ma. Find the magnitude of f at time t. If you have this magnitude equals square root of I squared plus j squared, okay? Now, if you have, it's a straight line, inside the root now. So, F equals mass times acceleration, or acceleration. The A all over, the V all over the A equals 2 acceleration. Then F equals ma. If this is our our A, that's our, we have mass and acceleration. Second differential equation is 2, which is acceleration. So F now equals mass times acceleration. That is 6 Newton. Option D. If these are constant, form the equation whose roots are 1 over alpha and 1 over beta. 1 over alpha and 1 over beta. And from this, I have that s squared plus mx minus n equals 0. Okay, sum alpha plus beta, recall, equals minus b all over a. So from here now, sum in this equation is who? Minus m all over. That's just minus m. Then product alpha beta equals minus all over this. That is product equals minus n. Also know that the equation implies s squared minus sum plus product equals 0. Now, if you have this, look at what was given to us. 1 over alpha plus and 1 over beta. That's 1 over beta equals sum now in this case. So, we now have to say that 1 over alpha, the LCM is alpha beta into beta plus alpha. That is sum, which is m, I write minus m, all over product minus n. Cancel, cancel. Is what? M all over n. We'll have that one. Therefore, product 1 over alpha times 1 over beta equals 1 all over alpha beta, okay? This will give us 1 all over n, that is minus 1 over n. Now let us fix to get this equation, meaning s squared minus sum m all over n into s plus product equals this, meaning that our equation now is ns squared minus ms minus 1 equals 0. So we'll now check. ns squared minus ms minus 1 equals 0. Option D. A particle is acted upon by forces F this 10 Newton, 60 degree, 15 Newton, 120, 12 Newton, 200 degree. Express this in the form of xi plus yi. Okay. Now, this is a pure vector question. You have that resultant forces will give us F1 cos theta sin theta plus F2 cos theta sin theta plus F3 cos theta sin theta. This will give me F1 is 10 cos 60 degree, 10 sin 60 degree, okay, plus 15 cos 120 degree, 15 sin 120 degree, plus 12 cos 200 degree, 12 sine 200 degree. Recall that summation S equals 0 at equilibrium. Let's get our summation X, that is f of S equals cos 60 is 0.5 times this, meaning 5i plus cos 120 cos 120 minus 7.5i cos 200 minus 11.3i. So total will give us 11.3 plus 7.5, 18 point this minus 5, so 13 point minus 13.8i. So f of y 10 sine 60 means 8.6 j plus sine 120 that's 13j plus sine 200 times 12 plus 13 plus 8.6 equals 17.3 j. So So 17 point minus 13.7, okay, I, and plus 17.5 J, option B. Finally, this evaluate. Okay. Recall that S plus this is the same as you are talking about difference of two cubes. Recall for A plus B, all this equals A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. So the same thing applies here of S plus 2 into A, the first one, S squared minus 2AB, that's minus AB, minus 2 into X plus 2 square, so that now we interpret, we have S plus 2 into S squared minus 2x plus 4 divided through by S plus 2. We cancel. We will now have S squared. So what is S? The limit for S is 2. I'll write 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 4. That is 4 minus 4 plus 4 equals 4. So the limit is what? 4, option C. If this is this, x cubed plus 3x squared plus 4 minus 5, find f of 2. F of 2. Remember to do this. F of x minus 1, recall, is equal to who? F of this. That is s minus 1 equals to, so that s will be what? 2 plus 1. S equals 3. If s is 3, now f of 2 means 3 cubed plus 3 times 3, that's r squared, plus 4 into 3 minus 5. This is 27. This is 9. 27 again, plus 12 minus 5. This plus this, I think, is 54, plus this, that is 66 minus 5, 61. Solution option A, 61. The angle of the line joining the points, this, find the value of the length of the, okay, this is distance between 2 points. That's good. Distance between 2 points. Recall that D equals s2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared. So D, now the distance is 7. I write 7 equals square root of s1, so minus s minus s, okay? That is minus 2x all squared plus y, 3 minus this, that is 1 square. So 7 equals 4x plus 1. Taking square of both sides, 7 squared equals to 4s plus 1. So that 49 equals 4s plus 1. 49 minus 1 equals 4s. 48 equals 4s. Dividing through by 4, s equals 12. Is it? Okay, find the value of x. 48. You take square of both sides. This guy will clear. This is okay, 4s squared, sorry. No, it's squared then. 4s squared. Okay, then s squared is 12. So that s now will now be root what? 12. S equals root 4 times 3. S equals 2 root 3. 2 root 3. Option D.